Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on SLP. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that SLP has formed another descending triangle, and this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, and this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that the price line, the movement of the price line is quite squeezed inside this descending triangle. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this move will be more visible. You can see that here. Uh, First, we found the support here when we had several touch points here. Then we had a big bounce. We got two or three touch points here. Then we got rejection here, rejection here. Then we had a bounce from the support, another bounce from the support, another bounce from here, another bounce here. And now for the past several days, it is trying to break out the resistance of this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout, the price line first got rejected by this long-term resistance of the $0.004, and after this big drop, the price line once again geared up and got stuck inside this descending triangle. And while moving inside this triangle, you can see that the price line was also rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. And that has been previously working as support zone here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for SXP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 29th of October 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can see when I shared this trade signal, at that time it was completing the final leg. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price can drop more down and into the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very nice reversal. And then we had another bigger pump as well. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that previously, it was moving inside this very massive falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, it was stuck inside this triangle. And now the movement is quite squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this triangle. Right now, you can see that the price line is also struggling to break out this long-term resistance of $0.00275 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here and support here, resistance here, and for a few weeks it has been breaking as support here as well. And now again it is breaking as a resistance. And in case of breaking out this resistance of $0.00275, it can imminently make another attempt to break out the resistance of the triangle. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the triangle, there will be another very long-term resistance of $0.004 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks a month and resistance here, and now again it can break at a strong resistance for the price line. However, after the breakout, the technical target for the breakout from this triangle will be here. That will be approximately at 1.29 cents, and if the price line reaches there, then we can also break out this long-term resistance zone as well, a key resistance zone that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That was previously breaking as support here, and now it is breaking as a resistance. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.